Well, day two of the University of Montana Economic Outlook Forum put a focus on billings. The forum is an annual outlook on the economy of Montana, individual cities, and industries. economic researcher Patrick Barkey says in the first half of 2020, Yellowstone County lost a lot of jobs. The second half saw a rebound, but not enough to offset the bad start to the year.
Which was historic, all right? But it is going to, I believe, turn into something which is almost equally historic coming out, as we expect to see some version of normality kicking in sometime around summer. We expect to see many of these jobs which have been lost because of social distancing and other economic consequences of the pandemic reverse themselves and see some makeup growth this year.
Now, Barkey says the wage and salary declines were not nearly as harsh, with Yellowstone County seeing only a 1% drop in wages and salaries last year. Now, Steve Arviskow of the Big Sky Economic Development also joined the seminar, giving insight to the lessons learned.
One of the most important things we can do for our small business community, a lesson that we learned very important in Yellowstone County, was we need to get out of our car, put on a mask, and walk in the front door of a small business, a locally owned business in our community, and shop and spend money and engage with them. And going forward economically, that engagement we have with our small business sector will be vitally important.
And another lesson, to recognize the value of Billings being a regional hub for healthcare. That's what Arviskow says. Now, job postings for RNs have increased 75% over 2019, with 256 RN jobs posted locally today. He says the healthcare workforce is strained. Montana ranks number 7 in the nation for having the oldest physician workforce. 35% of our local doctors are over 60 years old.